doing quotient rule with chain rule. Just to recap, quotient rule is low derivative of high minus high derivative of low all over low squared. And chain rule is you bring down the exponent, subtract 1 from the exponent, and derivative of the inside. Let's do a quick example of taking the derivative using the quotient rule method. Here we have 3x squared plus 2 all over 2x. Using our quotient rule method, it's low derivative of high minus high derivative of low all over low squared. From there, we can just multiply it out and simplify. Now let's do an example taking the derivative using the chain rule method. So inside remains the same, outside bring down the 2, subtract 1, and take the derivative of the inside, 20x cubed. Now just multiply it all together. The next problem will also require the use of both quotient and chain. Here we have x plus 3 to the 4th all over x squared plus 5 squared. We first use the quotient rule, which is low times the derivative of high minus high times the derivative of low. At this point, we will leave the high and low derivative blank. Now we will find the derivative of both the numerator and the denominator using chain rule. Y equals x plus 3 to the 4th. We bring down the exponent, subtract 1 from the exponent, and derivative of the inside, which is 1. Now we will be taking the derivative of the low using the chain rule method. We bring down the exponent, subtract 1 from the exponent, and take the derivative of the inside. From there, we can just simplify. The answers we got from taking the derivative of both the high and the low, we will now plug them back in, and the spaces we left blank before. From here, we can just simplify. Our third example also utilizes both quotient and chain rule. The numerator sine squared x can also be rewritten as sine x squared all over 3x squared minus 5. We will be applying the quotient rule method, which is low derivative of high, which we will leave blank for now, then high derivative of low, which will also leave blank. Then put the entire thing over low squared, which is 3x squared minus 5. Now we're going to fill in the blank. So for the second blank, we're going to put in the derivative of the low, which is 6x. And for the first blank, the derivative of the high. And this is our final answer. watching. This video was made by broccoli, potato, and zucchini.